Hello again, everybody. This is Joseph. In the previous videos we spoke about a parasitic draw, which means you are drawing current over a length of time. As you see over here, I made a video about using a specific meter, which is a clamp meter. This measures DC and it measures AC, and that's what the type of meter that is always suitable for these situations. So therefore, let's say in the morning you come and then you cannot crank. You measure the voltage. The battery voltage is 10 volts. The person will go, change his battery and say, okay, it works. Leaves it overnight, comes back the next day, the same morning. The same thing happens. Obviously wasn't a battery. What can you do to avoid this? Now, a parasitic draw means overnight or something is drawing current. I simulated a situation where, let's say, the lights are on. As you can see, if you use a regular meter, it's about 10 amps. It will blow the fuse. With this clamp meter, you're safe up to 200 amps. As you can see, DC amps, I'm at 15 amps. I'm drawing current. Now obviously I'm not cranking or anything. Let's say you came in the morning and you can't crank, and then you put your meter, your clamp, around the positive. You see you're drawing 15 amps. Now if I would use a regular meter like I just suggested, I'll blow the fuse. So therefore, the best thing is to do, you put a meter and you see how much you're drawing. In this case, 15 amps I'm drawing. Now I have to figure out which circuit and which fuse. So with this meter, if you put it on 40 amps, you can put on 200 amps as you see, DC. The next one is 40 AC, 200 AC. And you can measure DC volts. That's why this is the safest meter to use if you don't know how much you're drawing. Now we'll have to backtrack, to go back and find the fuse and find why we're drawing. So please subscribe to my channel, Automotive Electronic Schematics by Joseph, for more of these diagnostics. Thanks for watching.